Everyone, and welcome to another math tutorial. It's been a while, been busy, but let's get into it. So I wanted to do today a quick trick on how to factorize non-monic trinomials pretty instantly, right? So let's look at the example 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. So with practice, we'll be able to just write equals 2x plus 1, x plus 3. So with practice, we're going to be able to write it that quickly. Well, pretty close to that. So let's look at the process. So let's go here. So this is called the slide and divide method. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our brackets here with x and x. And we need to fill these positions here. So now, the first part is the slide part. So what we want to do is we want to slide this 2 and times it with that 3. So what that means is we have a product of 6 and a sum of 7, right? The number that's in front of the x, including that plus. So he asks us, what two numbers times the 6 but add to 7? And that's obviously plus 1 and plus 6. So what we do next comes the divide part, right? And that's this number here. So what we do is we divide each number in the bracket, the 1 and 6, by 2. And the last part we have to do is we just simplify each fraction as much as we can here, which turns into 3. And what we do, if we simplify the fraction and it's still a denominator, this 2 moves up here. And we cross that out. And we get, if we write it out properly, 2x plus 1 and x plus 3. So with practice, we won't even need to write this step. You'll be able to write that, do this step in your head, but if you need it, we can do it like that. So just to clarify this process, let's do a few more examples. So let's look at these examples. 6x squared plus 11x minus 10. So again, we slide the 6 over here, so our product is negative 60 and our sum is 11. So in the brackets we have x and x, so we factorize, and then we fill in what times to negative 60 but adds to a positive 11. Well, that's plus 15 minus 4. Right, 4 times 15 is 60. Right, and 50 plus negative 4 is 11. And then we divide each number by the one in front, 6. And then we simplify each fraction, right? So 15 on 6, well, I'll do it on the next line, just to show you what it looks like. So we can divide each by 3, so we get 5 over 2. And here, 4 and 6, we can divide each by 2, and we get minus 2 over 3. And then we just move these denominators up to here, so that's just 2x plus 5, 3x minus 2. As you can see, we don't really need these two steps here. We could have written this in one line. I just want to show you the full process of what it looks like. And let's just do one more example, and I'm going to cut out that second last step. So our product is, let's just do it with, let's even skip that part. Right, we've practiced it. You don't even need to write the product. So in your head, the product is 4 times 12, so 48. So I'm just going to write here just so you guys can have a reference. And my sum is negative 19. But we don't need to write that down once we've practiced. That can be done in our head. So what times to 48 but adds to negative 19? Well, first off, there are going to be two minuses because positive product, negative sum, and that's 16 and 3. And then we divide each by 12. Oops, I've already done it. And then we simplify. So we can divide each of these numbers here by 4, so we get 4 over 3. And divide each of these by 3, we get 1 over 4. Bring the denominators up, sorry, and that's it. So that's how fast and quick you can factorize non-monic trinomials, right? So just make sure next time you have a go, just do it this way, right? This is the fastest way to factorize non-monic trinomials. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to smash the like button, comment below what you want future tutorials on, right? So all my videos are based on your comments. So that's why there's been a break, there hasn't been any comments. So if you want videos, just comment below and I'll be in the next video. And don't forget to share with your friends. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.